Welcome to Winnow and an explanation of the Embellish coordinate system. The coordinate system in Embellish is used to help you locate and size objects. So here's a little explanation of the coordinate system. We have an image surrounded by two borders in this example. The image is one container, while each of the borders is broken up into 4 containers. The bottom, the right side, the top, and the left side. Each border has its own coordinate system. For example, in border 1 green here is the coordinate 0, 0, and on the bottom right, the coordinate 100, 100. So if you were to locate something within here in the center, it would be at the coordinate x equals 50 and y equals 50. In this example here, we have a box which is surrounding either text or a graphic, and the center of that box is located 20% into the image and 25% down. So the xy coordinate within the image would be 20, 25. Now, this particular object is also divided up into anchor points from the top left, top center, top right, center left, center, center right, and the bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. And when you select one of those anchors, that is the point that is located at the coordinate, and that can be used to justify the text or the object. Because if you put the top left corner at the center, then that box would actually appear down here. Now the size of objects is defined by a percentage of the long side of the outside of the embellished object. So in this particular case, we have a aspect that's a little bit wider than it is tall. So the long side is the width. So the size of the borders, for example, the top border here is 5.3% of the long side, or 5.3% of 2000 pixels. Same thing for objects, like for example text might be 2%. So let's take a quick look at an example of this. Here we have a copy of that same diagram where we have the blue and green borders, the image in the center, and we have a single text. And this text by default was put at coordinate 0, 0, and the justified to the top left corner. So let's say that we want to take this text and we want to position it in the blue border here, which is border 2, and towards the right side and halfway down. So first of all, let's say where we're going to put the text. So let's put the text in border 2. Now let's say we want it over on the right side. So we have this text box here, which you can see the red flashing. So this is the top left corner of the text box, but we really want to justify to the right side in the center. So let's pick this and let's go center right. And now we're getting closer. We need to shift the y coordinate down halfway, and we can simply move this over a little bit more, and there we go. We've got it where we want. Now let's say that we really wanted this to be lined up with the right-hand side of the image. That's what this checkbox align does. Is if we click that, now it's shifted over to align with the right side of the text. So that is the Embellish Container and Coordinate system. Thanks for using Winnow. I hope you're enjoying it.